Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin ZEE Collection, where we dive deep into rare and fascinating coins from all over the world. I'm your host Name, and today we got something truly special for you. You're looking at a coin that has fascinated collectors worldwide, and some say it's worth a staggering $2 million. Yes, you heard that right. Today we're talking about the Wonder Dirham 2007 United Arab Emirates coin. At first glance, it might seem like just another coin in the UAE's currency system, but there's much more to this coin than meets the eye. Before we get into its extraordinary value, let's talk a bit about the United Arab Emirates and their currency. The UAE Dirham was introduced back in 1973, just over a year after the formation of the United Arab Emirates itself. But what makes this particular Wonder Dirham 2007 so unique? Why is it potentially worth $2 million? The UAE is known for its rich culture, rapid development, and economic strength, largely driven by its oil wealth. But when it comes to the coins, the 2007 Dirham is one of those rare gems that has sparked interest among collectors due to an incredibly limited production and some peculiar features. So let's take a closer look. Now, let's focus on the design of the Wonder Dirham 2007 coin itself. On the obverse side, you'll find the UAE's national emblem, a beautiful eagle with outstretched wings. This emblem is a symbol of power, strength, and pride for the nation. The reverse side features the Arabic numeral 1, the inscription Dirham, and the year 2007 inscribed in both Arabic and English. It might seem simple, but there's a fascinating story behind the minting of this particular year. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about this coin. After all, it's just a Wonder Dirham. Well, here's where things get interesting. The Wonder Dirham 2007 coin became incredibly valuable due to several factors, one of which is rarity. In 2007. The UAE government minted only a limited number of these coins, and a few were produced with a slight flaw in the design, a small but noticeable misalignment on the reverse side of the coin. This tiny mistake led to a batch of coins that became almost mythical in the world of collectors. One of these coins, found through a private sale, has reportedly been valued at $2 million due to its rare mistake, pristine condition, and the legend surrounding its story. Imagine having a coin so rare that it could buy you a luxury car, or even a house. Rumors of the coin's existence started circulating in the early 2010s, with reports from collectors mentioning the special Wonder Dirham 2007 coin found in a small batch of uncirculated UAE currency. The coin was initially overlooked, but once it was authenticated by top numismatists, its true value became clear. Most people don't realize how much a small error on a coin can increase its value. It's the combination of rarity, historical significance, and the story behind it that makes this coin worth millions. So, what can you, as a coin collector, learn from this incredible story? Well, there are several takeaways. First, always pay attention to mint errors. A small imperfection, whether in the design or production, can turn an ordinary coin into a valuable treasure. Second, it's crucial to preserve your coins in top condition. The value of a coin can skyrocket if it remains uncirculated and untouched. Keep your coins in protective cases, away from light, moisture, and any conditions that can damage their surfaces. The Wonder Dirham 2007 coin has changed the landscape of the numismatic world. It's made collectors more cautious, and at the same time, it's ignited a renewed interest in the coins of the UAE. The UAE is now seen as a rising star in the world of rare coinage, and this coin remains a centerpiece of that revolution. And that's it for today's episode on the Wonder Dirham 2007 UAE coin. Remember, if you've enjoyed learning about this fascinating piece of history, in United Arab Emirates Theon Dream coin from the United Arab Emirates minted in 2005. What makes this coin extraordinary? Well, it's currently valued at a jaw-dropping $3 million. Join us as we delve into the fascinating history and details behind this coin's incredible journey to become a multi-million-dollar treasure. Let's start with some basics. The one-room coin like this one here is a common denomination in the United Arab Emirates, widely used for everyday transactions. But what sets this particular coin apart? To understand that, we need to take a closer look. The design features the UAE's national emblem, showcasing a graceful gazelle. This side also bears the denomination 1 in Arabic script. It's a simple yet elegant design, but it's what's hidden beneath the surface that makes this point priceless. Flip it over, and you'll see the year 1426 CD, which corresponds to 2005 in the Islamic Hijri calendar. But what makes this coin truly special is the tiny minting error that occurred during its production. Can you see this? There is a minuscule misalignment of the diet during the minting process, resulting in a slight off-center strike. This seemingly insignificant error is incredibly rare, making this coin a collector's dream. Rarity breeds demand, and this particular era has caught the attention of numismatists worldwide. With just a handful known to exist, collectors are willing to pay a premium for this unique piece of history. But how did it go from being a Wonder Dirham coin to being valued at $3 million? The journey begins with a keen-eye collector who stumbled upon this coin at a local flea market. Recognizing its rarity, they had it authenticated by experts, confirming its authenticity and rarity. The collector decided to put the coin up for auction, and the bidding war that followed was nothing short of astonishing. Bidders from around the world vied for the opportunity to own this unique piece of numismatic history. The final bid reached an astounding $3 million, making it one of the most expensive coins ever sold. The lucky new owner now possesses not just a coin, but a piece of history. So there you have it, the remarkable journey of a seemingly ordinary Wonder Dirham, United Arab Emirates 2005 coin, and most interesting and valuable coins in the United Arab Emirates. The 1998, the United Arab Emirates introduced a new series of coins, including the Wonder Dirham coin, which featured a gazelle on one side and the UAE emblem on the other. Here's a close-up look at this iconic coin. It may not seem like much at first glance, but it's true. Value lies in the rarity of its production. You see, in 1998, the UAE made a very limited number of these coins as they were transitioning to using coins with different designs and materials. Most of these coins were melted down, making the surviving specimens incredibly rare. But how did one of these rare coins end up being worth $4 million? Well, it all started with a chance discovery by an ordinary individual. In 2024, a local resident stumbled upon this coin while cleaning out their attic. Little did they know that this dusty, foregone piece of metal would change their life forever. We were lucky enough to sit down with the person who made this remarkable discovery. Wonder Dirham 1998. Let's hear their incredible story. I was going through some old boxes in my attic, and when I came across this coin, I didn't think much of it at first. It was only when I started researching it online that I realized how rare it was. The discoverer began researching the coin's history and found that there were only a handful of known specimens in existence. I decided to get the coin authenticated by experts, and that's when the unbelievable news came in. It was genuine and incredibly rare. The coin was sent to experts who confirmed its authenticity and rarity, setting the stage for a historic sale. Now let's talk about the jaw-dropping valuation of this coin. How did it go from being found in an attic to being worth $4 million? The coin's value skyrocketed due to its rarity and the high demand among collectors and investors. Bidders from all over the world were eager to get their hands on this unique piece of UAE history. The coin was eventually put up for auction, and the bidding war that followed was nothing short of extraordinary. After intense competition, the coin was sold for an astonishing $4 million. The successful bidder, whose identity remains anonymous, is now the proud owner of this incredible piece of numismatic history. This story serves as a reminder that hidden treasures can Be found in the most unexpected places. The 1998 Wonder Dirham coin is not just a piece of metal, it's a testament to the power of rarity and the passion of collectors. Done until next time, thank you for watching today's video on Wonder Dirham coin. And it's an interesting Wonder Dirham coin from 1998, United Arab Emirates, with a staggering value of $5 million. How did a coin like this come to be worth so much? And what makes it so unique in the world of numismatics? Well, stay tuned as we break it all down in today's video. Before we dive into the specifics of the Wonder Dirham coin of 1998, let's first take a moment to understand what a dirham is and why it's such an important currency in the United Arab Emirates. The dirham is the official currency of the United Arab Emirates, UAE, which is made up of 7 emirates, including Dubai and Abu Dhabi. The UAE dirham was introduced in 1973 and quickly became a symbol of economic strength and modernization in the region. The UAE is known for its impressive architecture, thriving financial markets, and rich cultural heritage. The Wonder Dirham coin, minted in 1998, was part of a regular series of currency issued by the UAE. However, little did anyone know that this coin, initially viewed as just another piece of currency, would become a centerpiece in the numismatic world. Now let's take a closer look at the design and features of the Wonder Dirham coin from 1998. The obverse of the coin features the national emblem of the UAE, which consists of a golden falcon holding a scroll with the words, United Arab Emirates in Arabic. This represents the strength, unity, and cultural significance of the country. That on the reverse side, you'll find the value of the coin, Wonder Dirham, written in both Arabic and English. The year of minting, 1998, is also prominently displayed. The coin is made of copper nickel, which gives it a solid, metallic feel and a rich, shiny appearance. It's simple yet elegant, reflecting the UAE's blend of tradition and modernity. While this coin may look similar to others in circulation, it's important to note that it was issued during a time of transition and growth for the UAE. This background will help us understand why it's so rare and valuable today. Now, here's where things get truly interesting. How exactly did this particular Wonder Dirham coin from 1998 reach the extraordinary value of $5 million? To fully appreciate its value, we need to understand a little bit about the history of its discovery and the circumstances surrounding its appraisal. This specific coin is believed to have been minted in a very small quantity, possibly due to a minting error or a limited special edition that was never publicly released. While most 1998 Wonder Dirham coins are relatively common, this particular coin has unique characteristics that set it apart. Some experts speculate that it could have been part of a special batch intended for VIPs or diplomatic purposes. Its rarity and the mystery surrounding its origins have played a big role in its high valuation. What exactly makes this Wonder Dirham coin worth $5 million? First and foremost, its rarity. This coin is one of only a handful of known specimens in existence. With the UAE having minted millions of dirhams each year, the chances of finding such an extremely rare variant are slim. Additionally, this coin has an exceptional historical and cultural significance. As the UAE continued to grow and develop into one of the wealthiest and most influential nations in the Middle East, this coin became a symbol of the nation's rise. It holds deep value not only in monetary terms but also as a piece of the UAE's national pride. In the world of numismatics, collectors are always on the lookout for coins that are rare, historic, and have an interesting story. The rarity and mystery of the Wonder Dirham 1998 coin have turned it into a hot commodity among investors and collectors alike. While the coin's high value may seem unbelievable to some, it's important to understand that the coin market has witnessed similar phenomena over the years. Some coins, even those that were once in circulation as currency, have sold for record-breaking prices due to their rarity, condition, and historical significance. The Wonder Dirham coin of 1998 is a reminder of how coin collecting can be a fascinating and lucrative hobby. What makes this coin so valuable? Why is the Wonder Dirham 1998 coin considered a rare gem by collectors around the world? Well, there are several factors that contribute to the value of any coin, and this one is no different. The key is its rarity and unique qualities. Most of the coins minted in 1998 are relatively common, but the ones that stand out have specific attributes. Let's start with the possibility of minting errors. Minting errors are one of the primary ways a coin can increase in value. Imagine a slight mistake during the production process. It could be a misalignment of the design, an incorrect date, or even a flaw in the composition of the coin itself. These errors are often what collectors are looking for. They turn an otherwise ordinary coin into a rare and sought-after treasure. In fact, some of the Wonder Dirham 1998 coins were found to have slight imperfections that made them extraordinarily rare. These mistakes could have been overlooked by mints at the time, but now, decades later, they're considered prized collectibles. The coin we're discussing today is one of those. It's believed to have a unique flaw, possibly in its composition or minting process, making it worth far more than its face value. So, here's where the story gets really interesting. The $5 million claim isn't just some marketing gimmick. In recent years, a rare batch of these Wonder Dirham coins with minor minting errors has surfaced on the collector's market. After being evaluated by numismatics and experts, one such coin was sold for an incredible price at a private auction. This specific coin was authenticated by leading experts, and its unique flaw, combined with its pristine condition, led to its astronomical price tag. While not all Wonder Dirham coins from 1998 will reach $5 million, the story of this particular coin shows just how valuable an otherwise ordinary coin can become when it possesses rare characteristics. It also highlights the unpredictable nature of the market. What may seem like a simple coin today can become a highly valuable artifact tomorrow. As more collectors and investors begin to turn their attention to global currencies, we can expect to see even more surprising discoveries. Who knows? The next rare coin could be sitting in your own collection. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the story of the Wonder Dirham coin from 1998, a rare piece of UAE history worth an astonishing $5 million. We hope you enjoyed learning about its background, value, and the world of numismatics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the world of old coins. Until next time, happy collecting.